The Rooster and the Priceless Gem, a very short moral story. It was a beautiful winter. A rooster got up in the morning as usual, and he went out with his friends to look for food. The rooster saw a garbage dump in the distance. It started staring with the thought of finding some food in the garbage dump. The rooster got a priceless gem from the dump, but the rooster threw the stone back. Another rooster who saw it regretfully said, "What is the use of this stone for us? If it got into the hands of a jeweler, he would know its value. A little more grain would be priceless for us than this stone." Moral: what is good for one is good for him. Thanks for watching.